Are you about to do a presentation to the CEO and you have no clue on how to present your data? In this video, I will show you my favorite Excel graph, the bar chart with 5 practical examples that you can use. And if you stay till the end, I will show you one bonus trick that will make you the star of the office. What's up, office people? I'm Dave, I'm a CPA. I go by Piggy Bank Accountant, hence the hat. And without further ado, let's dive deep into it. Just for your information, the workbook will be in the comments below. So if you want to follow, it's super easy. Just download it and let's go. So we first have the magical land theme park. Wow, what a beauty. So we have our first data set. The tab 1 is the roller coaster riders performance comparison. So if you want to compare data in your business, here we are. You take the data, you click on insert, and then you click on the chart here, and we go with the bar chart. The bar chart is literally my favorite chart. You can do anything with the bar chart. So here it's not really cute, but it shows just with a glimpse that Luna is the best. Actually, she did the most ride on the park on this day or this month. And then you can right click and add the data labels. And something that I like to do is to put them in specific order, Z to A, in order to show the biggest value to the left of the graph. So you can go here and then you click on sort and filter, custom sort, then sort by number of ride, and then largest to smallest, and see how it's gonna just sort your graph right here. Something else that I love to do is just the format data series, and then you put the gap to 25%, and then your graph looks much better. That was the example number 1. Let's get into example number 2, the budget allocation. So if you have a specific budget for different expense categories, all you can do is a bar chart to express this data to whoever your stakeholders are. So quick shortcut right here, instead of going insert, we are gonna select the data and click Alt F1. It's gonna pop a graph right here. Again, same thing, you can compare easily that the new rides are roughly 500K. Quick tip here, if you want to have it in percentage to have a more representative view, all you have to do is select data, click on the quick analysis here, or hit the Control Q, go into totals, and then you click on the little arrow here, and then click on percentage total. As you can see here, you have your percentage at pop. You can name the column percentage, let's say. And let's show you another trick that I really love. It's the combo chart. If you don't know about the combo chart, you are going to be flabbergasted right now. You drag your data here, so it's going to add something in the graph really quick, nothing changed. What we want to do is to show the percentage and the budget dollar on the same graph. You are gonna shine at the office if you do this. Right click on your graph, click on change chart type right here, then click on combo, and then all you have to do for the percentage is click on the secondary axis for a line. Now you're gonna say, hey Piggy Bank, it's not really cute. I know, just keep watching. You right click, you add the data label, and then you right click on the data, you format the data label, and then you put it above. And then if you want to make it a little bit cleaner, you can select your data. Oh, I always get this wrong. I always go the wrong way. And then you remove the decimals. So see, it's a little bit cleaner right now. And then we want to make this row, this line, this orange line disappear. So you go into format, shape outline, and then you put no outline. You can even put your percentage in a different color if you want. It's going to look a little cleaner. Let's put it, it's not really clean, but let's put it green, and you put it green so people understand. So they can see really quick that 500K for the new ride represent 43% of the budget. It gives them a rough idea, because if you have multiple columns, people probably won't know, like, okay, we put 50% of our money into new rides this year. The third situation where you can use the bar chart is when you have a timeline and milestone. This one is a little bit stretched, but you know, it can do the work. So once again, we select the data, we press on Alt F1. Oh, sorry, never mind, not Alt F1. See, it's not not really cute. What you want to do is you want to change the chart type to make it horizontal and not vertical. So instead of column, we are gonna go into bar, and then right here. And here you can see really quick, if you drag it to the right, you can make your graph bigger, and you can see that the project will end roughly on the 10th of November, I think here. So the end date is in orange and the start date is in blue. It's not the best, but it can work. I will probably suggest using another tool with a Gantt diagram, but anyways, you get the idea here. Tip number 4, if you have a satisfaction survey result, the best way to illustrate it is with the bar chart. Some people will be tended to use the pie chart, but I don't recommend, and I will tell you why. Again, take your data, do the Alt F1. There we go. We have a lot of 4 stars, a little bit less of 5 stars. We see it right now that we got more 4 stars than 5 stars. I will show you why I don't use pie chart. Select your data, click on insert, click on pie chart. Here we go. Do we see really quick that we have more 4 stars than 5 stars? It's not clear. Imagine that you are sharing your screen. There's a lot of stuff on the screen as well. You don't see it straight up, right? You see it on the top left chart right here, the number of enchanted smiles that you got in the magical landed theme park. That was tip number 4. Situation number 5, if you have a market share analysis and you want to show that to your CEO. Once again, we have the Fantastical Rides Co with 30% of the market share. We take the data, Alt F1 once again, and nothing crazy here. It's just the typical bar chart. I will jump straight up in the bonus right now because you want to know this. So we are in the bonus. If you made it this far in this video, type I love Perry Hotter in the comments so I will know that you made it to the bonus. So we have the same data as tab number 1, so the number of rides and the riders. So we have Luna that did 225 rides. So what I want to show you is a special graph that will really make your presentation shine. Select your data once again, go into insert, and then here below add-ins you have people graph. Select it and see, all you have to do is click on the data at the top right, select your title. You can put number of rides and then select your data. You take your data here and then you create, and then here you go. You have a cool looking graph. If you enjoyed this video, I have an Excel charts basic 5 tips to make better chart video is right here. Make sure you watch it and drop a like button on this video. Peace.